Hey guys, what's going on? Just wanted to bring a quick video of what's happening in the market, and then a couple of trader day highlights. Basically, market's just stuck in this range here. We have divergences between Qs and other two indices, spiders and IWM, and quite frankly, spiders just bear flag pattern that's playing out here pretty nicely. And at the end of the day, this is how it works out. The market's bullish until it isn't bullish anymore, buying the dips, and everyone is a genius in a bull market. But one day, 1 week can take out 4+ years of gain, and you have to be mindful of that, of how to trade the market. Those who stay put with the market and stay rational with the price action, and most importantly, manage the capital positions and capital preservations, will eventually thrive in the markets and have a long-term career. So tomorrow, Bank of Japan and then Fed will take over shortly. Will give us much needed catalyst in the market to take us one way or the other. Both spiders and IWM is showing bear flag pattern here, while Qs are right at the highs, showing much divergence in the market. Diamonds are the same way, showing bear flag pattern, and this could lead to a little bit, obviously 200-day moving average right here. I do see spiders perhaps testing about 210, around 208, big demand area here in the spider if this bear flag continues here. So this could be our next move. So in our live trading room, well, guys, a couple things that I want to talk about. How we trade the market. Obviously, we have a very choppy market lately. Not in live traders room. This is the gap that I traded yesterday, X, and just want to show you how I traded. This is X locking in at 17.15. That's the profit call. X 16.17 by 16.40. I called it 9.39 yesterday, and I want to walk you guys through how I traded this. So let's go back here. I'll bring this up here. But what I really want you guys to take a look at this and how I play the gaps is this thing is really it's set up on the hourly chart here. See hourly chart right here, you had a nice little micro downtrend. It's taken out the micro downtrend with the room all the way up here, and we do this pre-market analysis really talking about where the next levels may be. And you saw the call here on this was the call. Oops, sorry about that. This was the call here, 1670 by 1640. So that's a 30-cent stop. So where I got it, and you saw this what happened at 939. So right over here, as I'm looking at it, this is, obviously I like this pattern. This is my go pattern here. Obviously green bar that held the support. Got a nice little green bar here. Now I'm interested in this. I'm interested in this pattern. See, this is the second flag here, and it's a much better flag. So I'm interested if market takes out these highs, and then I'll put a stop at 1640. Could use a 20-cent stop, but I like to use a little bit wider stop at the open. So played this all the way up, locked in a couple hours here in X. Nice little trade yesterday. Came to market today, did analysis on the market in the morning, talked to the traders, and we had an absolutely phenomenal morning. And this is how the morning happened this morning. First, 9:32, I had a call on PBYI. So let's take a look as to how the PBYI call was 64.54 by 64. So I want to bring up the PBYI for you guys. This is PBYI 64. This is a beautiful flag. It's flagging on the daily chart. It's just triggering a buy setup on the daily chart. The weekly chart looks like it's already bottom, looking higher here. Going down to the 1 minute chart at 9:32. I love trading these aggressively in the morning, obviously with the price action, and now using the chart analysis. 931, 932, this is where I like it, over 1 minute high, and it triggered into this area with the stop right over here, as you can see, and boom, off we go. And we ended up taking profit on PBY at 65.71. It went to $68. The high is $68. So beautiful 2 hour trades here. So that's 2 hours right here, a little over 2 hours, you can see. So 2+ hours here on uh, on PBYI. Then I called Guild at 79.90 and 79.50. So Guild, take a look. I just did a video on Guild, swing trading video. I talked about this on Monday as one of the favorite going into this week. If you got into this Guild right here, that was a trigger on Guild, which was about 79.25. It went to $82 today, 82.07. That's a nice three points move here, Guild. Nonetheless, Gil, nice hourly chart. We saw this kind of a chart on X earlier. This is Guild, all both coming from the bottom here. Guild open up here. You saw the call 79.90 by 79.50 at 9:31. I like this so much. I called it right at 9:31. So let's go back and take a look. I mean, this is just a 1 minute high pattern. What happened is could when right here, that's a go pattern. And look when it triggered here, 79.90 right here. Trigger 79.90. Never really, I could have used a 30-cent stop, but like I said, in the morning, I like to use a little bit wider stop, and boom, off we go. Nice profits into this. And that's not it. This is another 2 hours here. So that's your another 2 hours here on Guild. So I'm gonna put 2 plus, right? 2 plus hours. So we got 2 and 2 4 hours today already. And then Jared, one of our traders in the room, who is an amazing trader called Lenar Short, at 44 by 44.30. I personally missed this trade, and I was kind of beating myself up for it, even though we had a really good day. Look at this pattern right here. Look at this bar here. So got a little bit of a win taken out of this downtrend pattern. Some folks got long, and today just gapping under this, got a little bit of a shock value. Once it took out this area, it was off to the races. And it had a really nice pattern at 44 bucks. Take a look at here. 44 bucks right here. Boom. What is this, guys? This is a bear flag. This is a beautiful bear flag. It's something we're seeing in the markets right now. So right here, 44 bucks. Break the 44, stop 44.30. Very nice. Boom, drop to 43 bucks. 30-cent stop, 70 cents drop. I mean, you do the math. You got about close to 3-hour play here. So we got another 2-hour play here. So today, just today, if you were in that room, you would have been 2, 4, 6 hours. If you're a $100 risk trader, that's $600 in one day. If you're a $300 risk trader, that's $1,800. And I personally trade on a $500 risk, and I was up close to 1,900 today. So that is what's happening in the Live Traders trading room. Nice 2K day here. If you're interested, come check us out for a weekly trial. It's at $29, www.livetraders.com, and come join the winning community. Hope everyone have a great trading week, and stay safe with the upcoming volatility that may happen in the market.